What's up, you guys? It's Jeremy Ray back with another video, and inside this one we're going to be talking about how to find winning products for your dropshipping stores. Not only how to find winning products, but what are winning products in the first place? What criteria can you use to hopefully find these winning products before you even test them and know that these products are going to work? And number three, how does having a winning product affect your dropshipping business in general? Finding what's already working is the best way to see success quickly, so you need to start by learning how to find what's already working. What's already working in this case is a winning product. Once we find a product that meets the three-piece criteria we just talked about, that is what's already working, and that's going to be our quickest way to success. It's not about finding a product that nobody's selling and trying to enter a market that doesn't exist. It's about finding a wave that's already waving that you can just hop on and ride it yourself to the cash paradise that you guys are all trying to get to with your dropshipping businesses. All right, you guys, so let's talk about the tools you're gonna need in order to find winning products. Luckily for you guys, the tool is your phone. And if you're watching this video, you likely either have a phone or some sort of device that connects to the internet and has a camera that you can use to make videos. That is literally all you need to not only market when it comes to dropshipping, but also find winning products. So when you're on your burner account, I'm currently on TikTok, and all you're gonna wanna do as soon as you start the account is go to the TikTok search and just type in something like TikTok made me buy it. You could also search Amazon best finds, helpful projects, cool products, gadgets you need, at-home gadgets, kitchen products, useful products, helpful products, literally any of these searches, anything that has to do with products, right? Amazon best finds, TikTok shop finds, anything like that is going to be what you're gonna wanna search, because when you search that up, you're gonna just see tons of products like we talked about earlier in this video. Now, once you guys see these products, you're gonna wanna go to the videos tab, and then you're gonna wanna click these three dots. This is available on TikTok, and it's called TikTok filters, which basically allow you to filter your search results. We want to find something that's went viral in the last 3 months, making sales, and also something we can market ourselves. So in order to do that, we only want to see the stuff that's been posted in the last 3 months. And at that, we want to see the most viral stuff in the last 3 months. So what we're going to do is filter by last 3 months and like count, because like count is going to make us see the most viral since they have the most likes. And last 3 months is going to make sure they're videos that are posted in the last 3 months, so they also meet the criteria we're looking for, which is all we're doing on this, is literally looking for the criteria I just talked about, but on our burner account. So I'm gonna click apply, and now I'm gonna see the most viral videos in the last 3 months. So as I start scrolling, I'm just gonna go ahead and like each video I see. I'm gonna save each video I see to my camera roll. I'm gonna maybe comment on it. I'm gonna watch the video all the way through. Make sure you guys don't just go here and like, scroll, like, scroll, like, scroll, like. Make sure you guys actually watch the video and show real engagement. You guys need to actually watch these videos, otherwise TikTok's just gonna mark your account as a spam account, and that's not gonna be good. They're not gonna target you and show you more products that way. So make sure you guys actually watch each video through, and by watching each video through, since watch time is so important with the algorithm, TikTok's gonna know that you're actually interested in these videos and you actually wanna see more, and they're gonna start showing you ads and all sorts of things. But as we scroll, we're just gonna keep doing that, liking, checking the comments, saving the video, all that sort of stuff, and also looking for products that we could potentially sell. As we're scrolling through here, we could go into the comment section and see what people are saying. I need this in my car. I need to get a car to buy this thing. What are they called? Where can I get them? Right? I want that, need that. People are saying they love this product. So before we even check sales on this product, it already has market demand. So we already know it has a video that's went viral in the last 3 months. We know that it has market demand by looking at the comment section. So all we have to ask now is this product something we could sell ourselves? And with a product like this, I think this would be pretty easy to sell yourselves, as long as you literally have a car that you could show it in. So with that being said, if you answer yes to all those things, here's your first winning product that you should test. Just like that, we didn't even have to warm up our burner account, and we were able to find a product that's going crazy. If we want to do even more, we could check the sales on this product. All right, guys, so when it comes to actually searching the sales of a store, whether it's for paid ads or it's organic, all you guys are going to need is the link to the store. Now, since we just set up the list of winning products that we found, we already have the links to the stores, and that's why we put them in our notes. Now you're just going to send that list over to your computer, or you could also do this on your phone. It's just a lot easier on your computer, and all you're going to do is just go ahead and copy the first website. Now after this, what we're going to do is go ahead and go to shophunter.io and use the sales tracker on Shophunter to track the sales of this store. You guys have heard me talk about a lot of sales trackers before, like Dropship.io, and yes, there's others out there, but recently with Dropship.io and other ones, I've been having some problems getting stores to actually track right, and with Shophunter, it's been a lot more consistent. So all all you guys are gonna go ahead and do to track the sales on this website is go ahead and go to shophunter.io or app.shophunter.io. And if you guys want access to shophunter.io for a cheaper price than you guys could get anywhere else, make sure you go to the link in the description. If you guys use my specific link and insert the discount code that I have in the description for you guys are gonna save yourself some money on Shophunter that you wouldn't save yourself on if you just go to their website. So make sure you guys use the link and the discount code in the description to save yourself some money when it comes to starting with Shophunter. But the nice part about this is they have a free plan, so you could start all this for free by just using the link in my description. And when your free trial does go up, or when you use your free plan and want to upgrade, you can use my discount code to actually save yourself quite a bit of money on Shophunter. With that being said, if we go ahead and go to my Shophunter and go to my track shops, all we need to do now is click add shop, drop the URL right here and click add shop. Now, as soon as we do that, we're gonna get pulled into an entire dashboard where we can literally see this shop as if it's ours. This is essentially the Shopify dashboard for this store, but we're able to see it. So as you can see today, this store that was selling the Deadpool product that we found in the video earlier is literally doing, they did $3,848 today. This week they've done $26,000, and this month they've done $223,000 in sales, you guys. This is crazy. These analytics and these type of sales are insane to see, and definitely show you one thing for sure, and that's that this is a winning product. Now, you could just go ahead and do this with every single store you find, and if you scroll down, you could even see what their top performing products are. I like this section because if you have a store that has tons of different products, you could just scroll down and instantly see what ones are bringing them the most sales, because even if a store has 100 products, 99% of the time it's going to be 1, 2, or 3 main products that are bringing them 90% of their revenue. And you're not gonna know what products those are unless you're able to see something like this. So that's another reason Shophunter is so cool. And as you can see, we literally can see this entire dashboard. We could also go and view on Facebook ads archive. So we could see all the Facebook ads they've tried to run, if they've tried to run any. We could also go and untrack store if we want. We could view the products on the store if we want. For each product, we could click into it and click search on AliExpress if we wanna find the AliExpress link for it. Literally everything we need to see about, is this product actually working? Is it actually making sales? And also, what sales is it making, or what's it making sales on? This is how we can see it directly inside of Shophunter. Super clean, super easy to look at. And obviously, you guys can do all this on a free Shophunter trial. So make sure you guys go to the link in the description and set up Shophunter for free so you guys can start doing this yourselves, because although you can just check the comments, and this is just one feature of Shophunter, they have a ton of different things they offer. As you can see, track shops leaderboard. So this puts out of all your shops which ones are basically the best performing out of all the ones you have tracked. You could go to your track shops, and obviously we could just add more and more and more, and they're just gonna all pop up here as we add them. Next thing you could do is you could go ahead and look at top performing stores. You could also look at top products, top advertised store, top advertised products, top track, recently added products, and these are all just a ton of top performing stores that they're finding for you. So if you can't find stores on social media, if you're struggling to do it, they literally have a bunch in here that you could check out. Now, obviously, if you're scrolling through here, I would also go ahead and try to look up on TikTok if they have a TikTok account, stuff like that. Are they going viral? All that good stuff. Is it running ads or is it doing organic? You want to still break down that stuff for each product. I'm not saying just go on here and pick any of these products and start selling them because they're making sales. Make sure they're also going viral and you can market it yourself and make sure it meets all the other criteria. But this is a really cool section of Shophunter that you get with Shophunter automatically that you can definitely utilize too, because as you can see, all these stores they're finding 2 million, 1 million, 1.3, 1.18, right? This is insane. And this is all in a day, right? This is revenue today. If we go to week, look at this, 9 million, 9 million, 8 million, 8 million. If we go to month, 43 million, $78 million on this store in a month. You guys, you can learn something from looking at this sort of stuff. It's absolutely crazy. Look, you can see American Express is literally on here, which is crazy. But just tons of different options for Shophunter and how to use it. You could do the same thing with top products where it breaks down the same thing. What's the hottest product selling basically? You do the same with advertised stores, advertised products if you're looking for products only for paid ads. Obviously, when it comes to running paid ads, you want to look for paid ads products when you're doing your research. And this is probably the best way to do that. In Shophunter, they also have staff picks, which which is where you could literally get recommended products directly from their staff. So Shophunter is actually recommending products in here and doing the research for you guys to where you guys could just pop on here and see the top advertised stores, top advertised products, top moving products, right? You guys could go filter by week, month. You guys could go by tag. What type of product is it? You could check the news feed, right? Which is literally telling you like what the brand's doing. This news feed right here, you're literally seeing what the brand's doing. Decrease the price of leather cat collars from 32 to 29. All this stuff, all this data Shophunter is able to pull for you and put into this easy to read dashboard is gonna help you when it comes to finding winning products so much that missing out on this is simply just lacking. All right, you guys, so when it comes to Shophunter, another thing we have to talk about is the future lib library. So essentially, if you're inside of Shophunter, if you go up to this future lib section, essentially what this is another little platform inside of Shophunter or another tool inside of Shophunter that you have access to with your Shophunter plan. You get free access to this with the Shophunter plan. So you guys could hop into future lib, and as soon as you hop into here, you're gonna be able to sort through a bunch of different ads and find what products are working. And then furthermore, once you find ads and products you think are working, you can go track those stores on Shophunter using the store tracker and all the other tools that we've already talked about with Shophunter. Now what this is basically an ad library that allows you to search through a ton of different paid ads to help you find ads. But this does it a little bit more specifically and in a really cool way. So as you can see right on the left side, we have range filters. So if we show 3 more filters right here and click this, there's a total of 7 different filters here on the left side, on the left bar, and you could basically go through these and filter however you want. One thing that I definitely recommend you guys go ahead and do is filter your store creation date to the last 3 months, so then you can see stuff that's new stores that are popping off new and new products that are relevant now. That's one thing you can do. So say we want to see products that are only from, let's say, boom, boom, let's do the past 4 months. So June to right today. Boom, set range. Now we're gonna only see stores that were created in this time period. So we're gonna see a bunch of new products that could be emerging products that are recently posted, that are recent winners. And that means if it's worked recently for somebody else, it's way more likely to work for us. But basically, as soon as we click set range, my Wi-Fi is being super slow. I turn my phones off my Wi-Fi. So it finally loaded, you guys. And as you can see, we can now see all the stores that were created from May essentially to now. So in the last few months, this is a good little filter to use if you wanna see stuff that's relevant and working right now. Another good thing that you could look for is store product count. So you're gonna wanna look for stores that have products from about 1, I'd say, to 4 products, 1 to 3 products, somewhere in that range. Obviously, there's gonna be tons of stores that pop up that are clothing brands, which have hundreds of products, or just really set up brands that have, say, hundreds of products in their catalog. And when you're drop shipping, you're not really looking for that. You're looking for more niche stores or one product stores or just few product stores that are really pumping and killing it, selling just a couple different products in most cases. So with that being said, if we do store product count, say from 1 to 4 and set this range, now we're gonna see stores that were created recently. So set store product count from 1 to 5. And as soon as we do that, just like that, you guys can see, now we're seeing only ads from stores that were created in the past couple months, as well as stores that have a product count from 1 to 5. So we're seeing more stores that we think could possibly be drop shipping products for sure, or products that we could run successfully ourselves for sure. With that being said, if we want to get even deeper, we could go down to this other section, which is technology at the bottom, and we can just go ahead and select whatever platform we're using. So if we know we're going to be using TikTok, then we obviously want to see only TikTok ads. So we can just go TikTok pixel, and now that's what we're seeing. We could also do the same thing with languages. So only English, let's see United States stores, let's see, whatever we want right here. If we're looking for a publisher platform, Instagram, Facebook, audience network, Messenger. If we're looking for a specific call to action, so obviously, sign up, you might not need like page. You're probably just looking for more like shop now, learn more, or get offer. So you could select all 3 of these, for example, because we don't really want to see sign up necessarily. Boom, and then we could go display format, video, image, carousel, multi-images, dynamic creative. You could literally sort through any of these, but those are just the presets that I would say are the most effective on here for you to use, and definitely something that I would take advantage of if you're using Shophunter. And once again, you guys, make sure you go to the link in the description and use code creator. If you use my link in the description and insert code creator, you're gonna save some money on Shophunter. So make sure you guys go ahead and take advantage of that deal below, because all it's gonna do is save save you money. Make sure to check out Shophunter, use these features. The future lib section is a really cool update that Shophunter added. Another thing, or the last thing I would say I really want to talk about in here, is the page active ad count. So one thing that does really help is seeing if the product has a ton of ads out there about it or not. Because if the product has, you know, say 30 different ads out there for it versus a product that has 5 different ads out there for it, the one that has 30 is probably making more because that's why they have 30 ads out, right? They wouldn't have 30 ads if they weren't making money. They wouldn't even have any ads if they weren't making money in most cases, right? So with that being said, right, so anything over 10, like we want to make sure that there's at least over 10 ads running on the account, so we know that these accounts are likely making money. And now after you can see the active ad count, you can see that all these accounts are products that are running more than 10 active ads or less than 100. You can turn this up to 1,000 if you want, for example, but you really only need to set it at 100. And you could go up to, I'd say, you know, 12, 13, 14 if you want to. Right here, say set range, just to be even safer, to see even better winners, but I'd keep it around 10 or somewhere around there. But however, I just wanted to show you the way that this section worked and give you guys a good overview of this. But once again, make sure you go to the link in the description and use code CREATOR when you sign up for Shophunter, because you will save yourself some money by using that code. So make sure you guys, you at least go down to the description and start a free trial. If you don't like it after the free trial, hey, it's free, there's no harm. So make sure you guys go to the link, sign up for a free trial Shophunter, see all the amazing things you can find, and I guarantee you once you guys hop in here, you're gonna be glued to it. So the next thing I want to talk about is another way to look for winning products. That's just kind of a cool thing to try if you're feeling fatigued from looking at your burner account. A lot of the times the key to finding winning products is just to always be looking for winning products, not just on social media, but in real life, across stores when you're shopping in public, and even on AliExpress and stuff like that. But the key is just to try to see as many products as you can, and if you're getting fatigued by doing one sort of product research, say you've been searching on social media for 3 weeks and you haven't found anything, or 2 weeks and you feel like you can't find anything, you probably just need to try something else real quick, see some new products from somewhere different, and then it's going to refresh your brain into looking at products in a different way because you saw something new that you're usually not used to. A lot of times habit can create people doing the same thing over and over again, and they start feeling like I'm only seeing the same products over and over and over. And this is something you can try if you're struggling with finding them on Instagram and TikTok. This is something that I do all the time just to check on, and it's inside of Zendrop, which is a supplier that I know a lot of you guys use. So that's why I wanted to also put this in this video, is because I know a lot of you guys are already using Zendrop for your supplier. If you're not using Zendrop for your supplier for dropshipping, make sure you guys go to the link in the description and sign up for Zendrop so you guys could use them for your supplier. But inside of Zendrop, they have a trending product section, and this is based off products that they find that are trending on social media and making sales currently. The cool thing about this being inside of Zendrop is typically when it comes to a winning product software that's just showing you a bunch of winning products, it's not really basing it off of anything other than finding viral videos on social media, which is good. But when it comes to using Zendrop, Zendrop's literally a supplier. So if anybody knows what's selling, it's Zendrop, because they can literally see what's selling since they're one of the biggest suppliers in the dropshipping space, if not just in the world in general. So with that being said, advice on what product to sell coming directly from a supplier is gonna be really strong advice, and that's why when I scroll through these products, I consistently find stuff that is going viral on TikTok, is making sales, and is something that I could market myself. And that's why this is just another great thing to utilize if you're already using Zendrop as your supplier, which I would definitely recommend you at least try. And once you try it, I could pretty much guarantee you're probably not gonna go back to working with any supplier again. If you click into these products, you're able to see even more in-depth stuff. You're able to sample the order if you want. You could add it directly to your products on your store right here. Like as you're looking for winners, once you find one, you can literally just add it to your store right there, making it super easy. You can see the shipping costs, you can see the total cost, you can see literally everything you need to know about the product inside of here, and even add it to your store directly from their trending products section. So it just makes it super easy considering they're already your supplier. And if you're already using Zendrop, you instantly have access to this. So definitely something I just wanted to make you guys aware of if you weren't already, because I'm sure there's some of you who are using Zendrop and might not even know this section existed. That being said, make sure you guys check this out as well and look for winning products on here periodically, because I've definitely found some bangers on here and I know you guys will too. Now I wanted to take a second and let you guys know, if you haven't already joined my free dropshipping course, I literally have a course that would usually cost thousands of dollars that I literally made free for you guys, and I have it linked in the description. If you go to the link in the description that says click here to join my free course, or the link that's pinned at the top of the comments. You guys could join the free course. And why that relates to finding winning products, because I have a ton of videos in that course that go even more in depth on all the tools we talked about in this video and all the strategies we utilized. I even have a group chat in there where we recommend winning products, and you can actually ask me directly for help finding a winning product inside that group chat, all for free if you ever need. With that being said, that tool is a super strong one because it basically ensures that if you're ever stuck, you could literally just hit me up once you're inside of that free course group chat, and I'll literally help you guys find a product, recommend you some, give you advice, or whatever you guys need, all for free. So make sure you guys go to the link in the description that says join my free course, or go to the link pinned at the top of the comment section, and it's gonna bring you to the same place. Once you guys get logged into the free course, I'll see you guys on the inside. And with that being said, that's gonna conclude this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, join the free course, and I'll see you guys once you're inside of there. Peace out.